Have you ever felt your body's energy is stuck in a rut? Enter metabolic rigidity and its sneaky link to chronic diseases. Your metabolism isn't just about burning off that double cheeseburger. It's the grand maestro orchestrating how your body uses energy. But what if it's a tad rigid? Metabolic rigidity is when your body's not so great at switching between fuel sources. It's like being stuck in one gear, even when the terrain changes. Here's why you should care. 1. Stuck on sugar. A rigid metabolism often leans heavily on carbs, leaving fat stores untouched. 2. Health fallout. This inflexibility can pave the way for diabetes, obesity, and even heart diseases. 3. Spotting the signs: tiredness, weight gain, and sugar cravings? Your metabolism might need a tune-up. 4. Hope on the horizon. Good news! With the right interventions, you can regain metabolic flexibility. Want to dive deep into protecting your health from metabolic rigidity? Click the link in the description for a comprehensive exploration.